brand new and a yummy and a chickeny recipe. The name of this recipe is chicken Raita. So let's begin with our ingredients. We have nicely chopped tomato, some kira, some onions, and we have some cabbage and some coriander, and especially some chicken and some green chili, some fresh garlic as you guys can see, and we have some chili flakes and some black pepper, and the best salt to taste. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a big ginormous bowl. We'll put some yogurt in there. Add 200 grams of yogurt, and now we'll add our mayonnaise in there, and I will mix it. So first we'll add all of our mayonnaise in there, and now we'll add our veggies. Fresh garlic, and now we'll add our salt to taste, our chili flakes, and our black pepper. And now I'll mix it with the help of a spoony. And now I'll add all of our chicken in there, as you guys can see. And now I will mix it. And now I'll put all of it in our serving bowl. And as you guys can see, this looks so yummy. And now we'll add our bagar in there. The nice smell and the taste. This looks stunning. If you guys like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.